Now it is question number 14. So each and every problem is with a different idea. So listen carefully. What is given in problem number 14? Rani, Jaya and Radhi are partners, sharing profit and losses in the ratio 2:1. 2:1. The three partners are Rani, Jaya and Radhi. Okay. These are the three partners. They divide in the ratio 2:1. Very good. On 31/3/2018, Radhi retires. This the third partner is retiring. Profit of the preceding year is as follows. Profit of the preceding year, that is 2014 profit 10,000. Profit. 2015 20,000. 2016 18,000. 2017 32,000. So what is the total profits? The total profits total profits $80,000. The total profit is 80,000. Okay, let it be. Now we shall pass on to the question. Find out the share of profit of Radhi for the year 2018 till the date of retirement, for the year 2018 till the date of retirement. It is a very big question before you. Very big question before you. You should learn very carefully. What is it you read twice or thrice? Only if you go through the question twice or thrice, you will find what you should answer. As usual, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. Yes, profit is to be distributed on the basis of previous year's profit. Now the date is on what date she is retiring? On 31/3/18. Now I said you should go through very carefully. What is the previous year? First question is the previous year's profit. What is the previous year's profit? Now it is 18. What is the previous year's profit? 32,000. Previous year's profit. What is it? 32,000. This is previous year's profits. And on what date the partner was retiring? On 31/3/18. For how many months he was in the year 18? For 3 months only, therefore 3/12. And what is his share? What is her share? Because Radhi is the retiring partner. And what is her share? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. That is 1/5. This you should know how you got, why you should write like this. See, once again I repeat, the question subdivision A is, this we are going to answer A. This for A, what is the question given? Profit used to be distributed on the basis of previous year's profit. We are attending or we are answering for 18. So the previous year is 17. So the previous year's profit is 32,000. So we have taken 32,000. 1 point. And when is Radhi retiring? On 31/3/18. That is, she was in the business only for 3 months. Therefore 3/5/12. What is her share? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, that is 1/5, because Radhi is the retiring partner. That is why they are 1/5. No more explanation can be given, because I repeatedly said twice. Now you can simplify and find the answer. See, this is 4 times. If you simplify this by 4, it is 8,000. 8,000 divided by 5, what it is? 1, then 3, 6,600. This is the amount. This is the Radhi's amount. For that, we have calculated the amount, and for that, what journal entry we should write? Profit and loss, suspense account. Data. 2. It should be credited to the retiring partner's capital account, Radhi's capital account. Radhi's capital account. Radhi's capital account. What is that amount? 1,600. Narration is, what is given in there? The previous year's profit is credited. Previous year share credited. That's all. Previous year's share credited. Once again, for the clarification, I repeat what is given in the first question. Profit is to be distributed on the basis of the previous year's profit. What is the current year here? 18. What is the previous year? 17. What is previous year profit? 32,000. Okay. But when does he retire? When does she retire? She retires in 31st March 18 itself. So she was there, or she was in the business for 3 months only. Therefore 3/12. And what is her share? 2:2:1, that is 1/5 is her share into 1/5. If you simplify all these numbers, you will get 1,600. That should be here. Here what you should write, profit and loss suspense account debtor to Ravi's capital account. This is what we should write. Okay, then, because the condition given here is capitals are fluctuating, that is why we are writing capital account. Then we pass on to subdivision B of question number 14. Profit is to be distributed on the basis of the average profit of the past 4 years. This is total 80,000. Then what about the average? This is the total 80,000. And what is the average? Average profit is equal to 80,000 by 4, which is equal to 20,000. Which is equal to 20,000 average profits. This 20,000 should be taken into account. Therefore, how we should calculate this 16,000 into the same, because Rati was for only 3 months, 3 by 12. Her share is 1 by 5, therefore 1 by 5, which is equal to the same thing, 4. If you simplify 4, this 16,000, 4,000, and 1 by 5 of 4,000 is what? 20,000, I wrote 16,000. 20,000 and 4, this is 5,000 if you simplify by 5. So 1 into 5, 5,000 simplify 1,000. This should be the amount here on 31/3/2018. B. The same profit and the loss suspense account debtor to Rati's capital account. The amount is 1,000 rupees. Narration, average profit credited. Average profit share credited. Credited to the retiring partner. Retiring partner, Rati. Once again, I repeat the same. And the first question, see, these are the 3 partners, Rani, Jaya and Rati. Rati is retiring. And what is the first question you see? Profit is to be distributed on the basis of the previous year's profit. When does she retire? You should listen to it first. 31/3/18. What is the previous year? 17. In 17, what is the profit? 32,000. Only that 32,000 should be taken into consideration. So 32,000. How long was she there during 18? For 3 months, 3 by 12. What is her share of profit? That is 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. That is 1 by 5. So you divide this 32,000 into 3 by 12 into 1 by 5, you will get 1,600 and you write this, because profit and loss suspense account debtor to the retiring partner's capital account. So 1,600. Then the next question, profit is to be distributed on the basis of average profit of the past 4 years. Here previous year they said we have taken the previous year. In the next question, average profit of the past 4 years. It is the question now. So, what is the average profit? The total profit 80,000. Average profit for 4 years, you should divide it by 4, 20,000. This 20,000 should be divided like this, because she is retiring on 31/3/18, 3 months, 3 by 12. Her share is 1 by 5. If you simplify, you will write 1,000. The same journal entry you should write, but the narration is different. Average profit share credited. This is the thing. But here in the book it is given answer 4,000. It is not the correct answer, but you should write only 1,000. Okay, now we shall pass on to another question. Question number 15. What is there in 15? There are 3 partners, Kavin, Madan and Ranjit. Journal entries, because we are past journal entries only it is given, therefore we should write the format, date, particulars. Each and every problem I am writing this, it should be an impression, you should have an impression in your mind. You should not forget this format. On what date he is retiring? The date is 31st December 2018. That is 31/12/18. There are 3 subdivisions, A, B, C. We will answer for A first. On the date of retirement, his capital shows a credit balance of 1,50,000. 1,50,000. This amount shows. Here, what type of account is maintained? His capital account itself it is given. Therefore, who is the retiring partner out of these 3? Kavin retires. Therefore, Kavin's capital account. Data. This is for A. For B also. Kavin's capital account. What about credit? I will tell you later. Kavin's capital account. Data. Third also. Kavin's capital account. Kavin's capital account. Capital account. This is. What is the amount to be given? 1,50,000. 1,50,000. 1,50,000. This is how. how it is paid, that we should write on the credits. For the first division, the amount due is paid off immediately. So in that case, bank account. So 1,50,000. This is the first division. And in the second subdivision, the amount due is not paid, not at all paid, then comes loan account, the same 1,50,000. In the third point, what is given, 1 lakh is paid and the balance in future. Once if the amount is paid, we should write from the bank, it goes out. Bank account, 1 lakh. The unpaid amount, 50,000. What we should write, the same, Kavin's loan account. Kavin's loan account. In this, what it is, amount paid off immediately. Paid off immediately. Here, not paid off. Not paid off. Here it is partially paid off. Partially paid off. What do they say in this problem? We should listen now. What do they say? In this, actually, once a partner retires from the partnership. This question number 14, I thoroughly explained to you. Now this is question number 15. In this 15, what is that? When a partner is retiring, that is, the partner's name is Kavin. Kavin is the retiring partner. When a partner retires, he should be paid off immediately. If the financial position is not better in the business, or because of some other reasons, he might not have paid off. Sometimes only a portion of the amount is paid off. In those cases, what should be the journal entry to be passed? Then first one. What is the first one here? It is the amount due is paid off immediately. On what date? 31st December. The amount to be credited is 1,50,000. So this is Kavin's capital account debtor. 2. Since from the bank the amount goes out, or bank is the giver, credit the giver rules, therefore 1,50,000. The amount due to him is paid off immediately. Paid off immediately. Retiring partner paid off immediately. Retiring partner paid off immediately. Retiring partner not paid off. Retiring partner, the same thing, partially paid off. Full amount pay பண்ணனா இந்த journal entry. Current capital account to bank account. Because bank is the giver. Suttama no price is given to the retiring partner. So what will happen? This amount, the Cummins capital account amount will be kept as a loan in the business. It is treated as if the retiring partner is giving the amount due to him in the name of a loan. So we are writing this Cummins loan account. This is the second condition, not at all paid. The third condition is, out of 1,50,000, 1 lakh is paid immediately and the rest will be paid in future. So the paid amount will be written in the bank account and the unpaid amount, the pending amount should be written in the retiring partner's loan account name. Cummins is the retiring partner, therefore Cummins loan account 50,000. These are the three methods of attending the payment due to the retiring partner. You should bear mind. And